Ever noticed how videos with a progress bar keep you glued till the end? That little animation isn't just trendy, it actually boosts watch time and makes your content look super professional. Today, I'll show you how to add a slick progress bar to any video in just a few clicks using AI. Let's jump in. First, head over to quso.ai and log in. Click Create New Project and upload your video, or simply paste your YouTube link. Once your video is uploaded, click Edit. On the left menu, head to the Elements tab. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option to add progress bar. Click on it and it'll drop right onto your video. By default, the progress bar will sync perfectly with your video's duration. You can drag it anywhere. Most creators keep it at the bottom for that modern look. Want to make it match your brand? Change the bar color and even the thickness for the perfect fit. Want to make your video square for LinkedIn? Head to aspect ratio and select your desired aspect ratio. quso.ai automatically resizes video, and then with just one click, you can add the progress bar to fit the new format. No extra work needed. Happy with your video? Click Export in the top right corner, choose your quality, and hit Download. In seconds, your video with a professional progress bar is ready to upload anywhere. And that's it. Adding a progress bar with quso.ai is quick, easy, and instantly levels up your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more video editing hacks. Drop a comment if you want to see more quso.ai features in action. See you in the next one.